Hello, my name's Ashley Diaz, and I'm just going to show my picture right here and my name. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and start the slide now. Okay, so today we're going to talk a little bit about if smiles are contagious. I don't know about you, but if you've ever been in a situation that maybe you've thought, hey, are smiles contagious? If there's people around you who are smiling, or if you yourself are smiling and you notice other people smiling around you as a result of your smile, you might have asked yourself if our smile is contagious. So I was in a situation like that about a week or two ago at a church meeting. There was this new member, and that particular day we were talking about kind of something serious in our church meeting. And this new woman kind of had like this smile, this genuine smile on her face, and it kind of just helped the setting of the meeting, even though she was new. Um, if anyone looked at her, or if they looked at her and they saw that smile, even I know for myself, I saw her smile, and it just causes you to smile, that genuine smile. So when I was looking at her, I was like, wow, this person has that aura around them. And even though the conversation was kind of difficult, she still had that setting. So it kind of helped to lighten up the mood. And I just kind of noticed that she had an impact on the people around us, even though she was new. So when it came to my mind, I said, this woman has, she's like charisma, she has um, experience in the church or something like that. But honestly, when it came down to it, when I kept on thinking about it, I was like, maybe it's just as simple as having a smile on her face. So I was like, wait a second. Are smiles contagious? I just thought to myself, that's kind of what I was seeing a pattern in, like in my own life, in that situation, or even other people that I've talked to. They say, okay, maybe smiles are contagious. Yeah, if you see someone smile, you want to smile back. So I did a little bit of research, and it seems to be that, surprise, smiles are contagious. So it's just a simple smile that it can be contagious. You want to spread a smile. So the first thing that I kind of noticed in my research is that when you see someone smiling, it tends to trick your brain. So when you see someone smile, our brain kind of takes that in, it generalizes it, and it wants to portray that onto someone else. So you see happiness, and then you take that in, and you want to be happy as well. So you're thinking happy. So once you're thinking happy, like you're smiling, you see other people smile, and you're like, okay, simple, contagious, right? It's just a funny way that our brain works. But this also kind of works for any facial expression, whether it be a frown or confusion or surprise. So we can say that kind of any expression may be contagious, but especially happiness, because that's kind of like a good mood that you want to be in, that people just kind of smile. Or like in the setting of the church meeting that we had, there was a lot of people, and it could have been kind of serious situation, but once this contagious smile kind of went around, it kind of helped to lighten up the mood around for everyone, not just this one person who's smiling. It kind of affects everyone who's in the vicinity of that person. So, according to Marie Grosson, um, the one of the benefits for smiling actually is the fact that it helps build our immune system. So it's just a funny way that it helps our immune system, but it's the fact that they smile back. Someone smiles back at you. You're helping them. You're helping them by building their immune system, and it's pretty interesting because you would never think, "Oh, I'm helping that person." But that's kind of the way that just the small research that I found, and there's small benefits. It helps with stress, it helps with your immune system, it helps lighten up your mood. So I hope I gave you some good information about smiles, and I think you should also try it more often to just smile a little bit more and be more friendly to people. I think that kind of just helps the mood or just helps you think happy. So go ahead and smile and see if you want to spread the contagiousness around. And I think it would help you or other people around you. So why not try it out? And then you'd be able to tell yourself if smiles are contagious or not. So I hope with this speech you were able to kind of figure out that smiles are contagious, and just hope you hope you set that into your daily routine, and also you're helping other people become healthy. So I think that's also a win-win for everyone, for yourself and for other people. So I just want to help say that keep a smile on your face, keep your brain strong. You want to trick your brain into thinking that, and just go on into the world and go ahead and smile. All right, have a good day. Thank you guys. Bye.